Each fall, over 8,000 students from across the state participate in the Constitutional Rights Foundation's mock trial program. And this program is an academic competition that takes place at the county, state, and national levels.
I think this is probably the best training that someone outside of being in law school could have to get a real sense of what a lawyer does inside the courtroom. This is what we do.
Students play the cast of courtroom characters, including attorneys, witnesses, clerks, and bailiffs.
Trial lawyer on the prosecution team.
Prosecution attorney.
Defense attorney.
I'm a prosecution attorney.
We practice every day after school for about an hour. I would say probably 8 or 9 hours a week.
Attorney and teacher coaches help students learn about the legal process by assisting them with a case strategy, helping them learn and identify rules of evidence, and developing questions for direct and cross-examination, and also examining complex constitutional issues.
It's supposed to be law-oriented, but really it's about speaking. It's about confidence and giving kids a voice that they didn't have before.
These trials take place in real courtrooms, with Superior Court judges presiding and attorney volunteers judging and scoring the presentations. Each team has the opportunity to present both the prosecution and the defense cases.
Tonight, the defense will call forth 4 witnesses that will testify to the facts.
I think you have to realize that these cases are so complex. These are real-life cases, and these kids are able to pick it up and perform as well or better than many of the lawyers that we see in court every day.
Just shortly after our arrival, Leslie Lane came up to our property and said, "You stupid cult, go back to your forest."
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Is that hearsay?
The state of mind of the defendant is not proven by the statement because he simply casually makes a remark about the new believers.
Overruled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
They've memorized their lines and they know what they're going to say. And my job is to test them so that the scorers can see how well they really know the material. Explain to me which facts you believe lead to the conclusion that I should grant your motion.
Speech may only be prohibited if directed at inciting or producing imminent lawless action. From where the speech was made to Clearwater was a full 10-minute drive. There is time for the crowd to cool off and think about their actions before they reach Clearwater, and that's why the fact situation does not meet the statute.
Through this program, students develop analytical skills, communication skills, and gain a deeper understanding of our legal system.
You arrived at the scene at 9:02, isn't that right?
Yes.
But nowhere in your witness statement do you mention what time the fire started, do you?
It makes me much more confident and articulate, and I'm able to give presentations a lot easier than if I hadn't done it.
I'll hear from the defense first, please.
Good evening, Your Honor. The defense respectfully requests that you dismiss Count 1, Section 404.6, urging a riot.
It gives students a feeling of what the law is. It helps students better understand the work that goes into the law and what it really takes to be an attorney.
Now, as my colleague has stated, the prosecution has the burden of proof to show that my client, Leslie Lane, is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, Your Honor. The evidence shows that the fire is inconclusive as to whether or not it was accidental or intentional. And the Count 1 cannot be convicted because we don't know the true intentions or the means of his lyrics, and only Leslie Lane knows that truth. Thank you.
Thank you.
The winner of the county competitions advanced to the state finals, which are held in the spring of each year. And the winner of the state finals goes on to represent California at the National Mock Trial Competition.
There is no other foundation that I've had experience with that has been able to produce a program of this magnitude consistently year after year that is excellent. I hear comments from the students and from the teachers and the parents, from the attorneys who participate as well as the bench officers. They all enjoy this program because it's worthwhile, it's a lot of fun, and it really produces good results.
State mock trial is the best program in the world.
For more information about how to involve your school or become a judge or attorney volunteer, please go to our website, crf-usa.org. Thank you.